Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we decide which products are worth your hard-earned cash and which ones should be sent to the land of broken dreams. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between the Bissell Steam Mop and the Neugo Steam Mop. So grab your rubber gloves and let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop comes in at a wallet-friendly $102, which many reviewers appreciate as a reasonable price for a dependable cleaner. Meanwhile, the Neugo Steam Mop is priced at $119. Some reviewers find that, while the Neugo is a bit pricier, its performance and versatility make it worth the extra $17. If you're on a budget, Bissell's got you covered, but Neugo offers a more comprehensive cleaning experience. Next, let's crank up the heat. Bissell boasts a heater warm-up time of just 30 seconds, which reviewers love for its quick readiness. Meanwhile, the Neugo takes it a notch higher with a steamy 230 degrees Fahrenheit, praised by users for its ability to tackle tough grime. Reviewers mention that the high temperature of the Neugo makes it excellent for sanitizing floors, while Bissell is appreciated for its efficiency and quick heat-up time. Now, both mops come with adjustable steam modes. Bissell offers high and low settings, which users find sufficient for most cleaning tasks. On the other hand, Neugo has a buffet of steam options: min, medium, and max. Reviewers rave about Neugo's versatility, making it suitable for delicate floors and tough stains alike. It's like a steam intensity party. Accessories, anyone? Bissell features an onboard spot boost brush that gets a thumbs up from users for sticky messes. However, Neugo comes with 10 accessories, which many reviewers find incredibly useful for various cleaning tasks. They love that Neugo can clean everything from floors to windows, making it a multifunctional tool in their cleaning arsenal. Now, let's talk design. Bissell has a classic look and is noted for its lightweight design, making it easy to handle. Neugo, on the other hand, features an adjustable height design, which many users appreciate for comfort. The long 23 feet cord of Neugo allows for extensive cleaning without needing to unplug, a feature that users find very convenient. Bissell's design is straightforward, while Neugo's is user-friendly and adaptable to various cleaning needs. Overall, the reviews for the Bissell Steam Mop highlight its affordability, effectiveness, and ease of use, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. Meanwhile, Neugo's Steam Mop receives praise for its versatility, powerful steam capabilities, and extensive accessories, appealing to those looking for a more comprehensive cleaning solution. So who's the winner today? The Bissell Steam Mop is a solid choice if you want a dependable, budget-friendly cleaner. But if you want a steamy powerhouse with tons of accessories and adjustable features, Neugo is the mop for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.